we're definitely hoping things don't get that bad here, but Ramisha Shea does have a lot she's tracking tonight.
That's right. We've got a pretty big risk for storms. It's going to be an overnight event as well, so that's why we always tell you, make sure you have that Fox 26 weather app. Make sure you have multiple ways to get alerts because it could get pretty messy and rowdy for us as well. Nothing severe in our area right now, but as we look at the radar, notice that we do have a cluster of strong storms, and this is not directly over Houston, but it's up around Navasota and Anderson. Not severe, as I mentioned, but some very heavy rain, frequent lightning, and the potential for some small hail up to about a ½ inch. This is tracking off to the north and east around 25 miles per hour. If it holds together, heavy downpours would make it into San Jacinto around 5:46 p.m. So I'll be watching that cluster. Elsewhere, it's fairly quiet for the moment. Temperatures still close to 80 degrees in Houston, but we are monitoring what is happening back to our north and west, where we already have a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 p.m. This does not include any of our area just yet, but this watch will likely get extended south and east as we go through the night. It does include College Station right now. We've got a big cluster of severe storms blowing up just to our northwest. These storms are developing ahead of this strong cold front, bringing the threat for severe storms and heavy rain potential from Chicago all the way down to Texas. So this system will slowly but surely make its way in. We have the threat for maybe 1 to 3 inches of rainfall overnight. Not only do we have the heavy rain threat, but we've got that threat for some strong, possibly damaging wind gusts around 60 to 70 miles per hour late tonight through early Friday. Maybe some hail between quarter size and golf ball size, and even a low tornado threat that we will be monitoring. I think our main threats, though, will be that heavy rain, the dangerous lightning, and the potential for those strong wind gusts. Let me walk you through it with Futurecast. 7 p.m. Notice a few clusters of storms trying to make their way into our northwestern spots up around Brenham, Conroe. By 10 p.m., the main event, the action still to the north and west of Houston, but over towards Sealy, a line of storms starting to push in with some heavy rain and strong wind. Notice around midnight, I think that's when the weather starts to go downhill for the Houston area. Bands of heavy rain will likely continue for a couple of hours, pushing towards the coast around 2 to 3 a.m. So Galveston, you'll be getting in on some of that heavy rain. Then as we go through Friday morning, things will calm down, but the cold front actually hangs back west. So if the atmosphere is not too worked over, we could have 1 or 2 storms redeveloping for early Friday afternoon. After that, the threat is over, cold front pushes through, and we dry out for the first half of the weekend. So we've got to get through a rowdy night, but most of Friday looking pretty good. Saturday, lots of sunshine, cooler, lower humidity. Sunday, a few showers build in late.